Fighter jet production is at the highest level since the Cold War, as lessons from Ukraine and rising global tensions drive unprecedented demand for air power. 2026 sees more countries actively building combat aircraft than at any point in the past 3 decades. This video covers every military fighter jet and strategic bomber currently in production around the world. United States F-35 Lightning II. Lockheed Martin delivers roughly 150 F-35s annually across 3 variants: the A model for conventional runways, the B model with vertical landing for Marines, and the C model for aircraft carriers. Over 1,200 have been delivered to the United States and allies, including Germany, Finland, Canada, Poland, Belgium, and Japan. The latest production lots locked in prices at $82.4 million per aircraft, making the stealth fighter cost competitive with advanced 4th-generation jets. F-15E X Eagle II. Boeing produces 18 to 24 of these heavy fighters annually, with plans to double output as the Air Force ordered 104 through 2028. The EX carries 29,500 pounds of weapons, more than any other fighter, and can hold 12 air-to-air missiles simultaneously on 12 hardpoints. Saudi Arabia is evaluating up to 60 jets, while the 2-seat cockpit allows it to command unmanned loyal wingman aircraft. FA-18EF Super Hornet. The Navy's carrier workhorse continues limited production at 9 to 11 aircraft annually, though the production line shuts down in 2027 as final orders are fulfilled. The Super Hornet has launched from carrier decks since 2001 and remains the backbone of naval aviation until F-35C models fully replace it. F-16 Block 7072. Lockheed Martin produces 16 to 26 of these legendary fighters per year exclusively for export, as the United States military doesn't buy new F-16s anymore. Recent customers include Bahrain with 16 jets, Morocco, and Slovakia. Over 4,500 F-16s have been built since 1976, making it history's most successful fighter with the Block 70, featuring AESA radar and modern avionics. F-47. Boeing won the $20 billion Next Generation Air Dominance contract in March 2025 for America's first 6th-generation fighter. First flight is planned for 2028, with the Air Force purchasing at least 185 to replace the F-22 Raptor. The jet will exceed 1,000 nautical miles combat radius, fly above Mach 2, and control unmanned collaborative combat aircraft drones as its loyal wingman. B-21 Raider. Northrop Grumman's Flying Wing Stealth. Bomber entered limited production, with the first aircraft conducting test flights at Edwards Air Force Base. The Air Force plans to acquire at least 100 to replace aging B-1 and B-52 fleets. Production details remain classified, but the program progresses toward initial operational capability in the late 2020s as America's most advanced strategic bomber. Europe Eurofighter Typhoon. The 4-nation consortium of Britain, Germany, Italy, and Spain produces 30 to 40 aircraft annually, with plans to more than double output to 60 plus per year. Germany ordered 38 Tranche 4 jets, with another 20 expected in 2026, while Spain's Halcon program ordered 45 total. The Typhoon features Captor EAESA radar, advanced electronic warfare, and Meteor missiles that can hit targets over 100 kilometers away. Dassault Rafale. France ramped production from 13 in 2023 to 21 in 2024, targeting 3 per month or 36 annually, as Dassault struggles to meet booming export demand. France ordered 61 new Rafales in 2026, while export customers include India with 36, Egypt with 54, UAE with 80, and Indonesia receiving first deliveries in 2026. The Rafale has flown combat missions in Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, Iraq, and Syria without ever being shot down. JAS-39 Gripen EF. Sweden's lightweight fighter maintains modest production for 60 aircraft to Sweden, 36 to Brazil, 17 to Colombia, and 4 to Thailand. The Gripen E features a General Electric F-414G engine borrowed from the Super Hornet Raven AESA radar, and can operate from highway strips with just 6-person maintenance crews. At $60 million per aircraft, it offers genuine capability for nations that can't afford or don't want the F-35. Russia. Su-35 S-Flanker E and Su-34 Fullback. Russia cranked out over 100 combat aircraft in 2025, the highest rate since Soviet times, with the bulk being Su-35s and Su-34s replacing Ukraine war losses. The twin-tail Su-35 features thrust vectoring engines for extreme maneuverability, while the side-by-side cockpit, Su-34 drops precision bombs on ground targets. Exact production figures remain classified, but estimates suggest 20 to 30 of each annually. Su-57 Felon. Russia's troubled stealth fighter limps along at 5 to 10 aircraft per year as sanctions choke off access to advanced electronics and manufacturing equipment. Russia exported 12 Su-57s to Algeria and continues weapons testing, including Kinjal hypersonic missiles. The Felon features internal weapons bays and faceted stealth surfaces, but Western analysts question whether it's genuinely stealthy or just stealthy looking. Su-75 Checkmate. Russia announced this single-engine stealth fighter is beginning production in 2026 as an affordable fifth-generation export competitor to the F-35. The Checkmate promises lower costs and modern capability, but given Russia's struggles building the twin-engine Su-57, significant Checkmate deliveries before 2030 seem unlikely. It's mostly a marketing exercise at this point. Tu-160M Blackjack. Russia restarted production of this massive supersonic bomber in 2015 after a 20-year gap, but manages only roughly 2 aircraft per year. Only 3 new Tu-160Ms have been completed since 2018, with Russia targeting 10 by 2027 and 50 total. The modernized bomber features upgraded NK-32 engines producing over 220,000 pounds of thrust combined, digital cockpit, and carries KH-101 cruise missiles at over $270 million per aircraft. Russia's most expensive jet, China J-20 Mighty Dragon. China's heavy stealth fighter dominates production with several hundred estimated rolling off assembly lines annually. Exact figures remain state secrets. The J-20 features canard delta configuration, internal weapons, bays for stealth, AESA radar, and fires PL-15 missiles with claimed 200-kilometer range. Recent J-20A and J-20S variants include improved engines, while the 2-seat S model controls loyal wingman drones. J-35. Shenyang officially unveiled China's medium stealth fighter in September 2025 and is ramping up production in 2026 to challenge the F-35. The J-35A serves the Air Force, while the carrier-capable J-35 operates from China's growing carrier fleet. China aims to mass produce the J-35 at rates comparable to America's F-35 production, over 100 annually. J-16. This heavy twin-engine multi-role fighter continues production as China's answer to the F-15EX with indigenous WS-10 engines and AESA radar. The J-16 provides long-range strike capability and can haul massive weapons loads for hitting ground targets or naval vessels with anti-ship missiles. J-10C. China maintains production of this lightweight single-engine fighter as an affordable complement to heavier J-20s and J-16s. The J-10C serves similar roles to the F-16, point defense, ground attack, and filling out squadron numbers without breaking the budget. JH-7A. This twin-engine fighter bomber continues limited production for maritime strike missions with anti-ship missiles and precision-guided munitions. The JH-7A looks dated compared to modern fighters, but it gets the job done attacking naval targets and coastal installations. H-6K and H-6N. China keeps updating this ancient bomber based on the Soviet Tu-16 from the 1950s with modern avionics and cruise missiles. The H-6K carries land attack cruise missiles, while the H-6N variant can carry air-launched ballistic missiles under its belly. These updated bombers provide China with long-range strike capability until a true stealth bomber arrives. South Korea. KF-21 Boromai. Korea's first indigenous fighter entered production in 2026 as a twin-engine 4th generation, plus design with reduced radar cross-section and AESA radar. South Korea will acquire 120, while Indonesia partnered in development and may purchase 50. At $65 million per aircraft, the Boromai costs less than European competitors, while Block 3 versions planned for the 2030s will add internal weapons bays for true 5th-generation capability. India. Tejas Mk-1A. India's indigenous lightweight fighter struggles to ramp production after decades of delays, as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited promises 16 aircraft per year, despite ongoing supply chain issues. The single-engine Tejas features Israeli AESA radar, beyond visual range missiles, and represents India's push for defense self-reliance. The Air Force ordered 83, but production has been painfully slow. HALAMCA. India continues developing the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft as their indigenous 5th-generation stealth fighter with twin engines and internal weapons bays. The AMCA remains in prototype stage with first flight expected in 2026, though the timeline keeps slipping. The program aims to free India from dependence on foreign suppliers for advanced fighters. Turkey, KAAN. Turkey's twin-engine stealth fighter conducted its maiden flight in February 2024 and progresses toward production after Turkey got kicked out of the F-35 program for buying Russian air defense systems. The KAAN features internal weapons bays, indigenous Turkish avionics, and aims for serial production in the late 2020s. Turkey targets over 200 aircraft to replace aging F-16s. Pakistan and China. JF-17. Thunderblock 3. Pakistan and China continued joint production at 20 aircraft annually of this affordable lightweight fighter that costs $25 to $32 million. Pakistan operates over 120, while Block 3 features Chinese KLJ-7AAE SA radar, fly-by-wire controls, and can fire the PL-15 missile. Export customers include Azerbaijan, Nigeria, and Myanmar as nations seeking cheap modern fighters that don't require American approval.